from a single steel plate inside. From steel plate to everyday passage, the 30-meter box girder now supports millions of journeys.
While the first was Hermian, Trinity.
In remote terrain, even
From raw steel plates to horizon-spanning bridges, the 30-meter box girder defines mega construction.
Across oceans and mountains, 30-meter box girders define modern connectivity. Billion-dollar manufacturing. Inside this billion-dollar facility, ultra-high-strength steel plates arrive in massive.
Before fabrication begins, every steel plate undergoes rigorous inspection. Ultrasonic testing ensures internal integrity. At temperatures exceeding 20,000 degrees Celsius, plasma torches carve precise profiles into 60-millimeter steel. Assembly begins as precision-cut plates merge into a single sters. Submerged arc welding fuses the girder's core seams with deep, full-penetration welds. Automated gantries ensure.
With the top flange in place, the box girder takes its final structural shape. Every millimeter is verified.
Check the readout at frame 16. It's within the tolerance, the integrity is solid. Confirmed. Let's move to the next section.
Cool. After welding, internal stresses remain locked inside the steel. Controlled heat treatment at over 600 degrees.
Shot blasting strips away oxidation and prepares the steel for protective coatings. A uniform surface profile is essential. Corrosion protection is vital for bridge longevity. Automated primer application ensures even coverage across every surface.
Precision defines performance. Advanced laser scanning confirms that each 30-meter girder meets strict dimensions.
Certified and complete, each 30-meter box girder stands ready for transport to the bridge site. From raw steel plate to precision-engineered megastructure.
confirmed alignment on the west side. Maintain current elevation.
Roger that, holding steady. West sensor reading is stable at 45 tons.
Copy. Lowering 5 centimeters.
Inside the sealed box structure, corrosion protection is just as critical as its exterior coating.
Latex. To withstand harsh environments, each box girder undergoes high-pressure water testing. Simulated. From raw steel plate to certified megastructure, each 30-meter box girder represents months of engineering. After months of fabrication, the 30-meter box girder reaches its destination.
Placement demands absolute precision. Guided by lasers and hydraulic adjustments, the 30-meter girder settles.
Precision-engineered connection points allow multiple girders to merge into a unified span. High-strength bolts lock the structure.
On-site welding finalizes structural continuity. Field reinforcement ensures the entire span performs. With final load testing complete, the 30-meter box girders prove their strength under simulated real-world conditions.
Check the laser alignment on the far side.
Looks good from here. Torque sequence initiated.
Shear connectors bind steel and concrete into a single composite structure. Once the deck is poured, these small, high-strength concrete integrates with the steel box girders, forming a unified composite deck. Precision.
Controlled curing allows the concrete deck to reach optimal strength. Sensors monitor temperature and strain.
The completed span stretches across the water, a testament to modern engineering.
Inside each box girder, maintenance access systems ensure decades of inspection capability. Modern mega bridges are intelligent structures. Integrated sensors continuously monitor stress.
Final top coat application shields the steel from moisture, salt, and UV exposure. Protection at this stage ensures.
Okay, keep it coming down slowly. Watch the laser guide, align it right there. We are ready to torque the bolts.
Final inspection confirms structural integrity, precision alignment, and full compliance with engineering standards. As night falls, integrated lighting systems highlight the precision of every 30-meter box girder.
Wind load testing confirms aerodynamic stability, even under simulated extreme 30-meter steel girders.
Simulated traffic loads verify design calculations under hundreds of tons of distributed weight. Beyond structural strength, integrated safety systems ensure operational reliability.
It is my honor to declare this bridge officially open.
A truly historic day for everyone involved.
Hazards. Even after completion, monitoring never stops. Advanced sensor networks inside every 30-meter box girder.
The gauge is reading 15.2 millimeters on the expansion joint.
That aligns with the thermal data. We are exceeding 45 degrees Celsius on the surface.
Engineered for all climates, the 30-meter box girders remain protected even under intense rainfall. Integrated.
Now fully operational, the bridge carries constant traffic. Beneath the deck, the 30-meter box.
From a single steel plate inside a billion-dollar plant to a multi-span landmark crossing an entire valley.
Resonance testing confirms.
Engineered for resilience, the 30-meter box girders undergo controlled seismic simulation, even under lateral force. In coastal environments, corrosion resistance is critical. The protective systems applied to each 30-meter girder, utility conduits run safely inside each 30-meter girder. From a billion-dollar manufacturing plant to a fully operational infrastructure network, each 30-meter release.
A decade later, the 30-meter box girders continue to perform flawlessly. Routine inspections.
The alignment on the left rail is off by 2 millimeters.
Adjust the prism slightly.
Reading confirmed.
From intense heat to freezing winters, the 30-meter box girders adapt to every climate. Thermal design calculations. From fabrication hall to city skyline, the 30-meter box girders now define the horizon.
Bearing assemblies allow the 30-meter girders to shift subtly under load and temperature changes. Precision alignment.
For instance, during peak traffic, 30-meter girders experience continuous dynamic loading. Real-time monitoring confirms performance.
Preparedness is part of long-term infrastructure management. Emergency drills ensure every 30-meter box girder remains accessible, monitored, and secure.
The structural integrity analysis looks excellent across all spans.
Agreed. Let's cross-reference that with the live traffic flow data now.
Engineers from around the world study the 30-meter box girder system as a model of industrial precision. What began?
A digital twin mirrors every 30-meter box girder in real time. Physical steel and digital simulation operate. Redundancy ensures safety beyond expectation. Even when load paths shift, the 30-meter box girders redistribute.
Check the Z-axis reading on span 3. The vibration spike correlates with the heavy load.
Adjusting thermal thresholds now. Traffic flow is stable. From steel plate to everyday passage, the 30-meter box girder now supports millions of journeys.
Designed for extreme weather, the 30-meter box girders endure powerful coastal winds without compromise. Precision engineering transforms steel.
Preventative maintenance ensures longevity. Even auxiliary components beneath the 30-meter box girders are serviced with
Modern infrastructure combines steel strength with intelligent traffic systems. The 30-meter girders carry the load. The success of these 30-meter box girders inspires expansion. What began as a single span.
While the first bridge stands complete, production never stops. Inside the billion-dollar plant, every 30-meter box girder begins with precision-rolled steel. Controlled heat and pressure transform raw slabs into perfectly dimensioned structural plates. Automation elevates precision. Robotic welding systems ensure every 30-meter girder seam meets exacting structural standards with unmatched consistency.
Moving nearly 100 tons of structural steel requires flawless coordination. High-capacity gantry cranes power.
From fabrication hall to global export, each 30-meter box girder begins a new journey. Transporting a 30-meter box girder across oceans demands industrial precision, heavy lift cranes, and marine logistics. Every 30-meter box girder meets strict international standards. Documentation, certification, and inspection.
Across continents, the journey continues. The 30-meter box girders now anchor new infrastructure projects. In coordinated lifts, multiple 30-meter box girders rise into place, transforming open space. From a single fabrication line to bridges across the world, the 30-meter box girder defines a global...
We're showing peak vibration right here. It's holding steady. The structure is performing as expected.
Regular inspection ensures long-term performance. Specialized maintenance vehicles provide safe access beneath each. This ambitious project layers sustainability directly onto heavy infrastructure. The new solar arrays and wind stations. Designed with adaptability in mind, the 30-meter box girders allow for future expansion. Strategic planning ensures. Decades later, the 30-meter box girders continue to define the skyline. Born inside a billion-dollar...
Flow patterns look aggressive near the base.
The river stage is at 15.2 meters.
And the stress metrics remain stable.
As cities evolve and skylines rise, the 30-meter box girders remain constant.
Sensor array integration is nominal across all segments.
Excellent. The traffic flow optimization is exceeding expectations.
Endure for generations, the 30-meter box girders embody a century of resilience.
Adaptive bearing systems refine load distribution beneath each 30-meter girder. Continuous innovation ensures
surveillance systems protect the 30-meter box girders, ensuring safe...
Precision does not fade with time. Laser recalibration confirms the 30-meter box girders remain aligned within millimeter tolerances. Seismic dampers reinforce the strength of every 30-meter box girder. Controlled testing verifies performance under simulated earthquake conditions.
For 100 years, the 30-meter box girders have carried generations forward.
Submerged arc welding creates the backbone of the 30-meter box girder. Controlled heat and automation produce continuous, high-strength structural seams. Inspection. Advanced non-destructive testing ensures it. Protective coatings safeguard every 30-meter box girder against decades of environmental exposure. Precision.
Before deployment, each 30-meter box girder proves its strength under extreme simulated loads.
Each 30-meter box girder carries a permanent identity, linking material origin, production data. Precision logistics connect fabrication to construction. Every 30-meter box girder moves through a coordinated global transport network. From molten steel to horizon-spanning landmark, the 30-meter box girder embodies the... Surface preparation is critical to longevity. Shot blasting ensures every 30-meter box girder is perfectly conditioned for decades of corrosion resistance.
Confirm final torque on Module 4.
Reading steady, 900 kilonewtons confirmed.
Transporting a 95-ton, 30-meter girder demands advanced mobility systems. Self-propelled modular Trinity. Inside the billion-dollar plant, production never stops. Multiple 30-meter box...
Controlled reheating optimizes plate formability and residual stress relief. Thermal precision ensures...
Internal diaphragms provide torsional rigidity and load distribution. Precise robotic installation strengthens every 30-meter box girder from within.
Longitudinal stiffeners reinforce structural stability across the full 30-meter span. Automated welding guarantees uniform strength along every critical seam.
Moving a 100-ton, 30-meter box girder demands synchronized control. Precision rig.
Inside the billion-dollar facility, production never sleeps. Day and night, 30-meter box...
As dawn breaks, another 30-meter box girder leaves the billion-dollar plant. Precision logistics.
From billion-dollar manufacturing halls to bridges spanning continents, the 30-meter box girder powers global.
Every 30-meter box girder now exists in two worlds, physical steel and digital simulation.
Multiple 30-meter box girders combine to create megaspan modules. Heavy lifting and precise alignment transform individual components into monumental structures.
Efficiency drives output. High-speed coordination across the fabrication hall ensures continuous production of 30-meter box girders at industrial scale.
In remote terrain, even air transport becomes part of mega construction.
From billion-dollar fabrication halls to bridges that cross horizons, the 30-meter box girder defines.
Every 30-meter box girder starts with ocean-delivered steel. Global supply chains feed the billion-dollar plant with ultra-high-strength plates.
Check the tolerance on the flange segment here.
It's within the parameters, but keep an eye on the heat-affected zone.
Copy that. Cutting speed remains optimal.
Perfect alignment ensures structural stability. Laser-guided positioning forms the foundation of every 30-meter box girder assembly.
Full penetration welding fuses steel into a unified structural core. The 30-meter box girder gains its defining strength through controlled arc precision.
There's a slight deviation appearing on the web surface at marker 12.
I see it. It's still within the green parameters, but let's keep an eye on the next pass.
Bearing plates connect fabrication to foundation. Precision installation ensures every 30-meter box girder transfers load flawlessly to bridge supports. Dozens of 30-meter box girders stand ready for global deployment. The storage yard reflects the massive
Under night floodlights, another 30-meter box girder becomes part of a global mega bridge. Precision lifting defines every installation.
Look at the data from sensor 12, perfectly stable.
Confirmed, the deflection is negligible.
From raw steel plates to horizon-spanning bridges, the 30-meter box girder defines mega construction. Controlled curing transforms liquid coatings into long-term protection. Every 30-meter box girder leaves the chamber shielded for decades of service.
Waterways provide a powerful transport corridor. The 30-meter box girders travel by barge toward new mega bridge installations.
The flow visualization shows significant turbulence. Look at the vortex pattern on screen 3.
We are exceeding the stability threshold.
Extreme cold testing verifies toughness in harsh climates. The 30-meter box girder steel remains resilient even at sub-zero temperatures. Dynamic load simulations replicate the forces of high-speed rail. The 30-meter box girder proves its endurance under rapid cyclic stress.
Across oceans and mountains, 30-meter box girders define modern connectivity. Billion-dollar precision manufacturing becomes global connection.